handling leads, data entry, and manual follow-ups? What if your entire business workflow could run automatically from capturing leads to adding the data to the Google Sheet, sending WhatsApp messages to leads, and notifying your team about that new lead? Yes, you can do it all in just one workflow. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly, and in today's video I'm going to create an end-to-end business automation by just using Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation tool that integrates varieties of applications and automate your whole business. And this kind of automation is going to be very useful for businesses like agencies, coaches, freelancers, e-commerce brands, service-based business, any online service business who want to save time, reduce manual work, and never miss a lead. And the best part is you don't need any coding skills for creating this amazing automation. So here I'm landed to my Facebook lead ads form, which I'm going to fill. So here I'm going to receive a new lead by using this Facebook lead ads form, where I have entered the email as test@pabblytudes.com, first name test, last name lead, phone number, and the city. Now let's click over this continue and submit button for submitting our Facebook lead ads form, which is successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Google Sheet to check whether the data of this particular lead is added over there or not. So here I'm landed to my Google Sheet, where you can check out that I'm receiving all the details of my lead, which I have recently filled over my Facebook lead ads form. That is, full name is test lead, email is test@pabblytudes.com, the phone number, and the city. Now let's move on towards my WhatsApp to check whether I'm getting notified about this lead or not. So here I'm landed to my WhatsApp, where you can see I'm successfully receiving this message which says, hello test lead, thank you for your response, we have received your details. And here I'm getting the same email, phone number, and the city which I have recently filled. So now you can see that as soon as I fill the form, the data is added to my Google Sheet and a personalized message is sent to my lead. Now let's move on towards my Slack account to check whether my team is getting notified about this particular lead or not. So here I'm landed to my Slack account, where you can see I'm successfully receiving this message which says new lead received, and here I'm getting the details of the lead, and the action is contacting as soon as possible. So now you have seen the working of this amazing end-to-end business automation which I have built in using Pabbly Connect. So now you can also create an automation like this by just using Pabbly Connect, and within few minutes without any coding. So now let's move on towards my workflow page for creating this automation. So here I'm landed to my workflow page, which is the most important window for creating our automation. So if you are an existing user, then you definitely know how to get onto this page, but if you are a new user, then you have to type the URL of the Pabbly Connect for accessing it. And now I'm going to just open the new tab and type the URL of the Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly Connect, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account first time over the Pabbly Connect, then you can just click over this sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over this sign in. And if you want to create this end-to-end automation for your business too, then you have to use Pabbly Connect. And I have bought this amazing discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on your purchase for the Pabbly. So whether it's Pabbly Connect or Pabbly Chat Flow, this coupon code is going to provide you heavy discounts on yearly and lifetime access plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our product. But I will suggest you to firstly try out our Pabbly Chat Flow and Pabbly Connect, and afterwards you can proceed towards its subscription plans. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect, where you might see this option of adding the trigger. And now you might be wondering, what is this trigger? So Pabbly Connect basically works on two principles, that is trigger and action. So trigger defines the application which is going to initiate our workflow. So in this case, I want to initiate my workflow as soon as I receive a new lead from a Facebook lead ads form. So now I'm going to select my trigger app as Facebook lead ads form, but you can select the trigger application or the application for which you want to initiate your workflow. So here I'm going to just click over this add trigger button, and here I'm going to select my trigger application. Now let's select the app event as new lead instant. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and here I'm landed to the connection page, where if you want to go through your existing connection, then you can select this button of existing connection, and for building a new connection, you just have to click over this add new connection. And now we just have to click over this connect with Facebook lead ads, and here I have to select my Facebook account for building the connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. And as I have already logged in my account, I'm getting this option for selecting it, so I'm going to just click over this continue button. So I will advise you to firstly log in your Facebook account for building a smoother connection, and if you haven't logged in your Facebook account, then Pabbly will firstly ask you to log in it. Now I am going to click over this continue button again, and here you can see that my connection has been built in so smoothly. And here on my Facebook account I have created this page, that is the magic makers, which I am going to use to fetch my leads. So for that I am going to select my page name as the magic makers from this drop down, and afterwards I have to select the form through which I want to receive the lead. So here I want to receive the leads of only this form, that is new lead, so I am going to select it. But if you want to receive the leads of all the form created under this page, then you can even select all leads and forms also. Now let me select new leads. Now for the response format I am going to select it as simple so that I can get the response in simple format. Now we just have to click over the save and send test request, and here you can see its status is changed to waiting for webhook response. Now for providing the webhook response, we have to do the test submission, means we have to receive a new lead over our Facebook lead ads form. So for that, let's move on towards my Meta for developers page with me. So here I'm landed to my Meta for developers page, which I have got by typing its URL, that is developers.facebook.com. and here on the resources we are getting this option for developer tools, which you have to select, and here I'm going to select this lead ads RTU debug tool, which will lead to me lead ad testing tool page, from where I'm going to get my Facebook lead ads form by selecting the page, that is the magic makers, and the form which is same. Now I have to delete my previous lead because I can create only one lead per form as I'm working on the test mode, and here my lead has been deleted. Now I'm going to just click over this preview form, and here I'm getting my form which I'm going to fill again. So here I have filled this form providing email as newlead@pabblytunes.com, first name new, last name lead, phone number and the city. Now let's click over this continue and submit button for submitting our Facebook lead ads form, which is successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether my Pabbly Connect is fetching this particular lead data or not. So here on my Pabbly Connect you can see 4 seconds ago I have received this response, that is response A, and this response consists of all the fields which I have recently filled. So this shows that we have successfully integrated our trigger app, and now as soon as you will fill the Facebook lead ads form, the response will be automatically captured by the Pabbly Connect, and this automation will be triggered. And now I'm going to use this response for sending WhatsApp message, creating the data in my Google Sheet, and notifying my team. So for that I'm going to use my second principle, that is action app. So here I'm going to select my first action app, that is Google Sheets, as I want to add the data of my leads over there. And here I'm going to select my app event as add new row. Now let's click over this connect button, and here for building the new connection you have to sign up with your Google account, but I'm going to use my existing connection, and here the connection has been built in, and here we have to select the spreadsheet where we want to add the data. So I have recently shown you that this is the spreadsheet where I want to add the data named as Facebook leads, which is already selected, and now we are getting all these fields where we have to fill the details of our lead. And now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually do it like this, but no, I'm going to map all these fields. Now you might be thinking, what is this mapping? So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous tab so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic, and typing the data will make it static, which will not change with every new responses, and the dynamic data will change with every new Facebook lead ads form submission. And the process of mapping is simple. You just have to select the field which you want to map, and you have to select the slash symbol, and here we are getting our previous application. So from the response of the Facebook lead ads, I'm going to map the first name of my lead, provide the space, and I'm going to map the last name of my lead. Now let's map the email address. So from the response I have mapped the email address. Now let's map the phone number. So here I have mapped it. Now let's map the city as well. So here I have mapped all these fields, and these fields are going to change with every new form submission. Now we just have to click over the save and send test request, and here we are receiving this positive response which demonstrates that the data of our lead might be added to the Google Sheet. So here you can see in my Google Sheet the data of my new lead is added successfully. So this shows that our first action app is also integrated with our workflow. And now I'm going to use my next action app, that is going to be the WhatsApp Cloud API, as I want to send a WhatsApp message to my leads. So here I have selected it. Now let's select the app event as send text message. Now let's click over this connect button, and here for building the new connection you have to enter the token, phone number ID, and the WhatsApp business account ID. So for getting all these details you have to visit this documentation given on the help desk, which will provide you the necessary steps and videos for generating the permanent access token and setting up your WhatsApp Cloud API inside Pabbly Connect. So you can take the help of this document, but for now I already have set up my API. So now let's move on towards my API setup page. So here I'm landed to my API setup page, where you might see this option of generating the access token. So I'm going to just select it, and here I'm going to just click over over this reconnect, and here you can see that my token has been generated, which I'm going to copy and paste over the Pabbly Connect. And here I'm getting my temporary token, but after setting up your permanent account you will be getting your permanent access token. And here for getting the phone number ID, let's move on towards my API setup page, where I'm going to copy the phone number ID and paste over the Pabbly Connect. And now let's get the WhatsApp business account ID. So here I have copied it. Now let's paste it. Now we just have to click over the save button, and here our connection has been built in so smoothly. So for the recipient mobile number, you can just map it from the response. And now here I have to enter the message which I want to send to my users. So now let's enter the message. So this is the message which I'm going to send to my leads, and after this word hello, I'm going to map the name of my lead and going to map all these details. So here I have mapped the name of my lead, email, phone number and the city. And for this recipient's mobile number, this is the dummy number, so I'm going to replace it with my phone number so that I can show you the response. So here I'm going to enter my mobile number. So here I have entered it. Now we just have to click over the save and send test request. And here we are receiving this positive response which demonstrates that a WhatsApp message might be sent to my lead. So now let's proceed towards my WhatsApp to check it out. So here I'm landed to my WhatsApp, where you can see I'm successfully receiving this message which says, hello new lead, thank you for your response, we have received your details. And here I'm getting all the details of my lead which I have recently received through my Facebook lead ads form. And now this shows that we have integrated our second action application as well, that is WhatsApp Cloud API. So here we are done with the 2 action app. Now let's add our last action app for creating this end-to-end business automation, that is Slack. So by using the Slack, I'm going to notify my team regarding this new lead. So I'm going to search for the Slack, and here I'm getting this application, so I have selected it. Now let's select the app event as send channel message, as I want to send a message to the particular channel. Now let's click over this connect button, and here for building the new connection you have to click over this button, that is connect with Slack, and here you have to enter the token type. So for getting the token type, you can visit this documentation given on the help desk, or either you can enter the user or the bot as your token type. So here I'm going to enter my token type as user. Now we just have to click over the save button, and here I'm going to allow the access as my data is 100% safe with Pabbly. So I'm going to just click over this allow button, and here you can see that my connection has been built in so smoothly, and we are getting all these fields. So the first field we are getting for selecting the channel ID. So here you can see this is the channel where I want to notify my team, that is new Facebook lead. So here I'm going to select it from this drop down. So now let me search for it, and here I'm getting this channel ID which I have selected. Now here it is asking me to enter the message which I want to send to this particular channel. So now let's enter the message. So this is the message which I'm going to send to my Slack account to notify my team about this new lead, and here I'm going to map all these details. So now here I have mapped all these fields. Now we just have to click over the save and send test request, as these fields are not necessary. And here I'm receiving this positive response which demonstrate that a Slack channel message might be sent. So now let's move on towards my Slack account, and here you can check out that I'm successfully receiving this message which consists of all the details of my Facebook lead. So now you have seen this amazing automation which is performing all your tasks, whether it's saving the data of your leads, notifying your team, or whether sending a WhatsApp message to your leads. So you can do it all with just one workflow which can be built in within few minutes. So now you can also automate your business by just using Pabbly Connect. And not only these particular applications, you can automate thousands of applications by using Pabbly Connect. So now Pabbly Connect is there for you for automating your whole business, so that you can just focus on growth of your business instead of these manual tasks. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now, and I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created in the description box. So make sure to check it out and use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of the Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.